What does link in bio mean on Instagram? Hi guys, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First step is to open Instagram on your device. Now you might have heard some creators say on Instagram to click the link in my bio. So what does link in bio mean? For that, let's tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now here, as you can see, right under my profile name, there is something written, and here you can find a link as well. So this is your bio, and over here if you can find a link, you simply have to click on it and it's going to redirect you to the page that they have put the link of. So this is what it means by link in bio. Now, as you guys might know, Instagram does not allow you to put any clickable link on the description or comment of a post. So the only way to put a link is in the bio itself. So if you want to add something on your bio, you want to tap on edit profile, and from here you can put something on your bio here as well, or you can change that if you want to. Now if you want to attach a link, tap on links, and from here you can add an external link. So you just have to copy and paste a URL here, and you can also put a title if you want that. And this is how you can add a link on your bio. If there is any existing link and you want to remove it, you can simply tap on that link and tap on remove link and then remove it from here as well. So this is what it means by link in bio on Instagram. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.